Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Toyota 150 Series Prado GXL, stock reference number 4384. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a 1KD, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has damage on both sides as well as front and rear. We have the left hand 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Spare wheel cover, inner and outer, does have a few scuffs and scratches, still may be usable. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid with a couple of little impressions in it. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter. Front and rear heater controls, climate control type. Factory single stack CD player. Display screen. Courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type. Have the left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.